Alright, good day everyone and welcome. Today I honored to introduce to you something truly revolutionary in the world of crypto trading and decentralized finance, that is NABREX. That basically powering the future of decentralized finance. And believe me, this is not just about technology, people. It's about you. It's about like creating a moment that will last beyond trends. So please mark your calendar because NABREX will officially launch on 15th of September. Please take note on this important note as it marks the beginning of new era in AI powered trading. And let me just give you a little detail about this potential or incredible project. So yeah, guys, those who are listening me, NABREX Global Limited, based in the UK with its headquarters in Japan, and is proud to bring you NABREX. It's basically a mobile advanced crypto trading board. It powers by AI-driven insight, real-time trading signals, and lightning-fast execution that basically utilizing the same tool as industry a leader like Hamatic. Okay, behind a NABREX is basically a Japan-based, I would say Japanese-born AI programming and blockchain expert, Mr. Yun Lu, with a passion for trading. Mr. Yun designed NABREX board to empower trader worldwide that basically eliminating sleepless night, FOMO and mixed gains. Okay, and our vision and mission is super duper interesting because regarding our vision, guys, it basically to contribute significantly to the blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystem. And about our mission, this is also lovely because our mission is to empower trader globally through an innovative, intuitive platform that support a wide range of financial instruments. Okay, and it has a very beautiful feature like real-time zero delay trade execution, blockchain security with for like decentralized access protection, AI powered smart analytics, trade anytime, anywhere with lightning fast execution. And one more thing, NABREX would generate up to 1.5% daily profit during weekdays, and about weekend it reserved for system maintenance. Okay, and here the minimum deposit will take $5, the minimum withdrawal will also take $5, and our platform basically support USDT PAP20. Okay, and let me just give you a little information about the referrals and reward as well, because as many as friends you invite in our platform, you will get the reward according to that. Okay, so NABREX also offer a uni-level referral system here. So for level 1 it's 5%, for level 2 it's 3%, level 3 goes to 2%, and level 4 is for 1%. And an exciting ranking and incentive program is here also, with bonuses ranging from 150 USDT or in dollar cash reward to luxury items like car, even like a house for top performers. Okay, that's unbelievable, but that's true because our platform is really very incredible. So to everyone listening, remember this, NABREX will be officially launched on 15 September. This is your opportunity to step into the future of decentralized finance and AI powered trading. No more sleepless nights here, no more FOMO, and no more missed gain. So with NABREX, guys, your trading journey is about to change forever. Join the moment as soon as possible, and post below I will send all the social links of the NABREX, so do join and share with your friends and earn referral reward as well. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.